Spec-wise, it rocks a massive 100-megapixel Hasselblad main camera. The detail you get is literally mind-blowing. Plus, it shoots 6K 60 HDR video. That means insane clarity and tons of flexibility when you're editing. And you won't be grounded quickly either. It boasts up to 51 minutes of flight time. That's huge! With 3 distinct lenses, from wide to telephoto, you're never stuck with just one boring angle. For the pros out there, 10-bit color and all-eye recording give you absolute, uncompromising control in color grading. Need to track a moving car? Active Track 360 handles those complex movements totally automatically, keeping everything buttery smooth. It does have omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, but hey, it's not magic against thin wires or nasty weather. Storage-wise, the 512GB version gives you a whopping 460GB of usable space, right on the drone. The Creator Combo itself is a beast. It packs multiple batteries and a Pro controller into one backpack. That RC Pro 2 controller is a game changer. Say goodbye to phone battery anxiety or annoying incoming calls. And with 3 batteries plus a parallel hub, you can easily just cycle your power and keep filming. So let's get real for a second. Who is this pricey, high-end piece of gear actually built for? Established filmmakers, you'll absolutely love this. But if you're a complete beginner, seriously, just save your money. For the pros, it completely unlocks cinematic travel shots, killer real estate tours, and stunning B-roll. Just a quick heads up though, always double check your local drone regulations before you take off. Safety first. The tools are right here. So are you ready to stop compromising and finally capture truly professional aerials?